Hello and assalamu alaikum. I really welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. I am come back with the another topic. So our today topic is that how to use move command in AutoCAD. So basically there are two ways to use move command in AutoCAD. So let's take a start. The first way is, as you can see at the left side of your screen, here is a move icon which you have to press on it for the selection, as I am doing over here, and then come back to your worksheet and then select the object like this and then press the enter button for the selection of your object, and then you can easily move your object at anywhere. And if you want to use this command again, so you have to repeat this way again, like this. Click on the move command and then come back to your object like this. Select your object, press the left side of your mouse button and then press the enter button, and then again drag your object that way you want to move your object. So this is the first way of using move command in AutoCAD. And the second one way is that, as you can see at the bottom of your screen, here is a command bar which you have to that way you can write the move command or any other kinds of command that you want to write over here in a short forms like this. I would like to write the move command, so MOV. You just write the MOV and then press the enter button. As you can see that the move command is activated, and then you can again come back to your worksheet and select your object and then again press the enter button. Now you can drag your object at any place. So thank you for watching this video.